Welcome to Boundless Estates, your daily look at real estate across the country. We search Zillow for unique and affordable homes, from off-grid cabins to one-of-a-kind properties. We find the hidden deals so you don't have to. Today we're taking you to Bardwell, Kentucky, a small town with a population of just 710 people. And tucked away here is a foreclosure that just hit the market for only $54,950. Priced under 60 grand, it's an opportunity that comes with plenty of space. Before you pack up your toolbox, let's walk through what this place has to offer. Because while it does need some work and TLC, it's sitting on over an acre of land and offers more square footage than you'd expect at this price point. This home sits in a quiet rural area, surrounded by open farmland with no close neighbors. The property includes just over an acre of land, giving you space for a garden, outdoor projects, or simply enjoying the fresh country air. There is also a detached garage that experienced fire damage and will need significant repair or rebuilding. For the right buyer, it could be a big project or the perfect opportunity to design the workshop or storage space you have always wanted. Step inside and you'll find 2,200 square feet of space with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. On the main level, there's an open floor plan connecting the living room, dining area, and kitchen. That layout makes the home feel roomy and practical for modern living. 2 of the bedrooms and 1 full bathroom are located on this level. And yes, the laundry area is tucked into one of the bedrooms. So maybe not Pinterest perfect, but definitely functional. Head upstairs and you'll find 2 more bedrooms, each with large walk-in closets, along with another full bathroom. That's a nice bonus you don't always get in older homes. Now let's be clear, this is a foreclosure, and it's being sold as is. That means no FHA, VA, or USDA financing will work here. Conventional loans or cash buyers are your best bet. The house has had updates and add-ons over the years, but it's definitely ready for someone with vision. The flooring, fixtures, and cosmetic touches will need refreshing. In other words, bring your toolbox, your imagination, and maybe a friend who owes you a favor. Even with the work needed, this home has solid bones and standout features. There's forced air heating, central air conditioning, built-in range appliances, and vinyl siding on the exterior. The covered front porch offers a perfect spot to sip your morning coffee while looking out over farmland. Utilities include a septic tank and well water, which is common for country properties. The lot is level and surrounded by crops, giving it that classic Kentucky farmland vibe. The price comes in at just $25 per square foot, which is almost unheard of in today's market. Add in the fact that you're getting over 2,200 square feet of space, plus more than an acre of land, and you can see the potential. Whether you're an investor looking for your next flip, or a buyer searching for an affordable property to make your own, this foreclosure is worth a look. Thanks for watching. Would you take on a foreclosure project like this? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.